Be amazed. I've been arrested 7 times
Really?
for doing this.
Seriously?
I've been trespassed, put in cuffs.
Somebody told him, why you trying to get extra money on me?
I'm not trying to get extra money.
Okay, my car not finna sit. I can move my car. They can move my car.
Hold on, we got him stopped.
Life is full of unexpected and controversial situations that require objective evaluation from different perspectives. From a man expressing his views in public, a grandmother being arrested for a traffic violation, to a teenager recklessly fleeing in a car, each case raises important questions. They emphasize individual rights, responsibility, and the fair enforcement of the law.
You'd be amazed. I've been arrested 7 times
Really?
for doing this. I've been
Seriously?
trespassed, put in cuffs countless times. How you doing, sir? Good.
Jeff stands in downtown Tyler, holding a sign advocating for homeless veterans. This is more than just a personal act. It is a testament to the legal right to express oneself in public spaces.
Were you having problems with one of the owners over here?
God bless homeless veterans, y'all. No, I didn't have a problem with him. He had a problem with me. That's all. He came out and started barking orders at me, yelling at me. I was like, who do you think you're talking to? You know, leave me alone. God bless you. God bless homeless veterans. They called. Somebody from here called. No, I haven't been in there. I've been right here on the public sidewalk the whole time. Your officer, how did you say that?
Oh, Smedley.
Officer Smedley. My name is Jeff. Nice to meet you, sir.
Jeff.
Nice to meet you.
Appreciate you blessing the homeless. That's good.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, he came out. I was just waving at people. Some of the people inside waved at me.
Okay.
And I waved back at him.
Don't harass our guests. Get out of here. Woo.
It's like, oh, whoa, who do you think you're talking to, bud? And I told him he was being a Karen. I said, relax. And then he stormed back inside. I guess then that's when he called John. So
Has Officer Johnson talked to you yet?
there's a, is that him right there? I'm not sure who that is, but it's an
Yeah.
officer. You guys have body cams?
Yeah, well, I got mine hidden. I got all this
Oh, okay.
junk, so. Yeah.
Hey, officer, how are you?
Sir, man, you know what's going on here?
Like I told Officer Smedley, I said, my name is Jeff.
How you doing, Jeff?
Good. Did they call on me?
Yeah, well, I think the issue became they said you were asking customers for money.
That's not true.
So I don't know. I wasn't here.
Right.
I can only go by what both parties tell me.
Uh-huh.
He said there's no problems as long as you don't talk to the customers.
I can talk to the customers all I want.
I know, but
And that's what I was over here, walking down this way, and one of the customers waved at me, and I waved at the customers. He was standing down there smoking a cigarette outside the door down there.
Don't harass our customers. Get out of here right now. Leave us alone.
Whatever.
Go somewhere else.
So who do you think you're talking to, man?
right,
So I'm not harassing your customers by waving at them. They waved at me.
right.
And then he said, I told him, I said, just relax. You're being a Karen right now. So have you ever seen the videos on YouTube where people are Karens?
Right.
I said, you're just being a Karen. You're making stuff up. I'm not harassing anybody. So,
Well, he probably deals with people. He probably thinks you're a homeless person out here. That we have some aggressive homeless people.
right. God bless homeless veterans, Sean. Please pray for homeless
Who
vets.
does irritate customers and things
Oh,
like
okay.
that. He's probably
bless
assuming
y'all.
that you're that kind of person.
No.
I don't know,
No.
but
I wish he would have just came out and talked to me. You know?
well, or at least talk to you with a less attitude. I mean, it goes a lot further than people realize.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, but he just asked that you not solicit money from his customers.
I have no problem with that. I'm not doing that. I'm just spreading this message. Good message of help our homeless vets, support our homeless vets, and
Gotcha.
God bless. Pray for them.
Anything else you need from us?
No, sir. I'm good.
All right.
God bless you.
Have a good day.
Are y'all's body cams going?
Yes, all the time.
How do you get body cams in Texas? Can you get them? Do you have to like
Buy
record
them on
one?
Amazon.
I mean, how do you get the body cam footage?
Oh, FOIA request through the
Okay.
department. You
Okay.
basically file open records requests,
All right.
and you be specific, officer's name, body camera footage for this date, this time.
Things became more intense when a restaurant employee confronted Jeff, assuming he was disturbing customers. The situation quickly escalated, leading to a heated exchange and prompting the police to step in and assess the situation.
And then I think Sergeant Bullman takes care of all that.
Okay. I
We have
know
somebody
there's
that-
some states that, like North Carolina, you have to have like a court order.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I did not know that.
Yeah.
No, Texas is pretty plain, pretty transparent. You basically file an open records request, which
Yes,
they
sir.
call a Freedom of Information Act request, is FOIA, is abbreviation.
Gotcha.
And it's reviewed through the department as long as it's not part of an ongoing investigation.
Right. Just like it is in Florida.
And I think you have to pay for like whatever you have it put on, like a DVD or something like that. You have to pay for the material that they put it on or the paper they print it on.
Right.
And then it's yours.
Okay.
So it's pretty
That's
simple.
good to hear.
Pretty simple process. I've actually filed a FOIA request on one of the other employees through our department on
Nice.
email. So I mean, it was the first time I'd ever done it.
You would think
and
that you would do it just to get
it was pretty simple.
And
but-
let me ask you, which body cam going when you were inside?
Yes, it was.
Okay.
Anytime we contact the public, whether it's the person that called or the person that got called about, sometimes we forget. I know there's times where I've forgotten to turn it on immediately.
Yes, sir.
But today I did activate it as soon as I got out of my car.
And I'm not out here to cause any problems.
Okay.
Peaceful, polite, spreading this good message. Mostly had a positive reaction. Just about everybody I've interacted with, except for the gentleman when he just
and
misinterpreted what
like
I was doing.
I think he probably doesn't understand what you're out here doing.
Okay.
Because we do have a lot of aggressive homeless people
Right.
in our population, and they congregate downtown because of the public library,
Right,
the
yeah.
churches that
Library.
offer free meals and things like that. And he probably assumed that you were a homeless person out here soliciting for money, which tends to run customers off from any business. So I don't know.
No intention to do that.
I don't know.
But I really do. It means the world to me that you guys respect my rights, are standing up for my rights.
When I explained to him, he has every right in a public place to talk to people, hold signs. I said, there's no criminal offense about that.
Right.
He stated that he understood. I even asked him if he wanted to warn you from his business property, which would be the threshold of the door in. He said no.
Okay.
He said, I don't see any need in that as long as he'll respect the customers. That's all I'm asking.
I'll respect the
I
customer.
said, okay. I
Yep,
said, I will go
absolutely.
talk to him and ask him
Try
to
to
do so.
respect everybody.
All right.
God bless you.
Anything
It
else?
means a lot to me. It means to the bottom of my heart. God bless you guys. Thank you for
Yes, sir.
respecting rights and standing up for my rights. God bless you. Thank you.
Well, I
Stay
mean, we're
safe.
here for everybody's rights, regardless whether they're in the right or wrong. I mean,
Right.
if there's not a criminal offense, then there's not a lot of authority we have. So.
When I go on road trips, when I was a truck driver, I started doing this, right? God put it in my heart to start doing this because I was all over the place anyway, laying over. I go out and do this, and you'd be amazed. I've been arrested 7 times
Really?
for doing this. I've been
Seriously?
trespassed, put in cuffs countless times
Right.
from public sidewalks.
Oh, wow.
But unfortunately, it's the rare occasion when officers like yourselves uphold and defend the Constitution and honor your oaths. And I really do appreciate that. It's a
Well,
breath
we
of
do
fresh
have a
air.
lot of people, because the square itself is owned by the county, but it's a public square.
Right.
And we have a lot of people that do protests. And
It's reassuring to see the police handle the situation fairly and respect Jeff's rights. This proves that law enforcement is not always about imposing authority, but can also serve to protect citizens' freedoms.
Right.
Outreach, for lack of better words, as far as trying to people more knowledgeable about what's going on. A lot of them do it at the square, but there is no, like you said, no designated area where you have to stand as long as it's a public place.
Right. And I know this is still a public sidewalk, but I'm staying outside of the dining area. I'm just standing
Right.
right here.
And he told us that you weren't over in this area; you were just here.
That's good. I'm glad.
So he was.
That's also
from
rare
what you're
for-
telling me.
be honest,
He was
you know?
being honest.
Yeah,
So
rare for them to be honest.
I think he's probably run into some of our homeless population that's aggressive,
I have too, yeah.
And
I
they're-
support the homeless folks, but
and they're aggressive sometimes.
sometimes they are. Yeah, there are some real aggressive
We
ones.
have some that are more aggressive than they need to be. So.
Right.
But
Good afternoon, y'all. How you doing?
Howdy.
Come on through.
y'all can go through. We're just talking.
God bless the homeless veterans. Please pray for our homeless vets.
But most of those aggressive people are usually addicts or alcoholics, or they're trying to feed an addiction that they have that people
have
don't
some sort of
understand.
mental issue.
or mental issues,
Yeah,
which
which is
we do
sad.
have a lot of those.
Really sad.
But I don't know how many of them are veterans, but we do have quite a few homeless. A lot of them are homeless by choice.
Yeah.
A lot of them are homeless by choice, and people don't realize that. And there's not a lot we can do to help them except, guide them towards services where they can get a free meal or clothing or.
I know some guys that are they're homeless, but they're also, I guess, they're more like a hobo.
Yes,
which is
they
riding
travel.
trains and stuff like that.
Travel.
I think that's pretty cool, man.
I mean,
no bills, no responsibilities, no taxes.
Yeah, and you see the world.
Yeah, you see the world. This one guy that I'm friends with on YouTube, he hopped on a freight train, which I'm sure is illegal.
It is illegal, yeah.
But he went from somewhere in America all the way up to Alaska.
Oh, wow.
On a train.
I hope he had the clothing for it.
He didn't go through any customs, no passport, none of that stuff.
Wow. I know you can do that going to Mexico because I've heard of people doing it.
Yeah.
We have train cars that leave our refinery and go straight to Mexico with fuel and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So I know it's possible. Like I say though, it is technically illegal. You are trespassing when you jump on a train.
Yeah, he was on a boxcar, like a security guard or law enforcement officer for the rail company. I guess it was.
They have their own police department.
He saw him in the boxcar. Said, "Hey, beat it, man! You can't be in here." So he got off. He went in the woods. The guy drove off. He went and got in another boxcar. Well, God bless you guys. Thank you so much.
Yes, you have a good
Stay
day.
safe out there. God bless you.
Have a good day.
You too.
It's heating up today.
Yeah, I'm trying to stay in the shade, but I don't want to go in here.
There you go. Good luck to you. God bless you.
God bless you. Thank you.
This situation underscores the need for clear communication, patience, and mutual respect. Taking a moment to listen and understand different perspectives can help de-escalate tensions, prevent unnecessary conflicts, and create a more constructive resolution for everyone involved.
Somebody told him, why are you trying to get extra money on me?
I'm not trying to get extra money.
Okay, my car not finna sit. I can move my car. They can move my car.
How you doing, ma'am?
What's the call?
What happened?
What happened?
The owner of the vehicle is not supposed to be driving, so I just want to make sure you're not the owner of the
I'm not
vehicle.
supposed to be driving. I just went to the courthouse.
Okay, why do you catch your attitude?
Straight.
Okay, let me check your license and if it's straight, then all right.
My license straight.
Yes, ma'am.
I just went there.
Yes, ma'am.
I got the paperwork in my door.
Okay. Copy. 28 and 29 by number. Get back in the car. 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 You're going to go to jail if she doesn't get back in the car. Don't get out on the traffic stop. Bravo Quebec 5-3 Hotel Victor.
Ain't nobody but my child. She was going in the store. You talking to me, you talk to me.
Yes, ma'am.
I asked her to go in the store and get something to drink because this way we were coming at anyway.
Yes, how
He wasn't nowhere. We didn't see him. He pulled on the side. All of a sudden, he get jumped behind me. You're not supposed to drive this car. That's not the way you approach me. You approach me when I ask you what is the reason why.
Yes, ma'am.
You don't jump off and say that. I know my rights. If I ask you a question, you can answer me the same way you ask me a question.
Okay.
My license is good.
Okay.
So it shouldn't be no problem.
Well,
Reed, since you know everything here, your license is not good.
How it's not good? I got paperwork.
Okay.
I got paperwork. I just left from the dang on courthouse.
Okay, it's still suspended.
My license.
You have a
not
financial responsibility suspension. Okay, and you are the owner of the vehicle.
Yes, I
Can you
ain't
do me a
gonna.
favor? Can you turn the car off? Is it off already?
I took my keys off.
Okay, can you hand me the keys? I want to put them on top of the car.
For what?
Can you hand me the keys? I want to put them on top of the
I
car.
want to know why. I'm waiting on my child to come from school. I want to know why. You're not going to tell me to put something on top of the car for what reason?
Okay.
I'm not resisting no arrest. You don't have no reason to arrest
Okay,
me.
I'm giving you a
none of
lawful
that.
command. Are you going to put the keys on top of the car? Or I'm going to detain you, okay?
For what? No, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't. My child is
Stop
in here.
resisting, ma'am.
She's
Stop
a child. I'm not
resisting.
resisting.
Yes, you are.
relax.
No, y'all done finna take me to
Reed.
jail. I know what the reason why.
Miss Reed, calm down.
My license called. Bruce said
Miss
call.
Reed, Miss Reed,
Call.
calm down.
Call. Come. I
Miss
was
Reed,
come.
Get back.
No,
Get
she
in the
touched
car.
me. She get my
Get back
phone
in
to
the
call
car.
for somebody to come get my f***ing car.
Okay.
Miss Reed, stop resisting.
No, I'm not. No, don't do
Reed,
that in
stop
front of my
resisting.
f***ing child. Y'all don't pull me back.
Miss Reed, stop resisting.
Don't pull me. Don't pull me. Don't pull me. Don't pull
You
me.
relax now.
I've been relaxed when
All
you
right.
did
Can you
that.
put your arms together,
You
please?
could have told me what the f*** it was. Don't put them too tight, because I am diabetic. I need to talk to my child. I'm not going to leave my
Here,
child.
are you ready to listen?
I need to talk to my
Are you ready to
child.
listen?
I'm finna tell her.
Hey,
Here, Miss
No,
Reed,
no.
turn around.
no, we're gonna go this way.
No, I need to talk to my child. Y'all cannot leave my child up here like
We're not
that. No.
Yeah, what's your name?
No. My name Ben still Reed. He still hasn't told me the real reason. You're not putting me in no car. No, we're going for what? You haven't told me for what?
No, I'm gonna give her a little thing.
You haven't told me for what?
Can you spread your legs? Can you stand right here? Spread your legs.
You don't touch me before. I need the phone. I need the phone. I need to let them know to come get my car.
I just need you to take a deep breath for me, okay?
No, for what?
Because in order for us to talk to you, you have to relax.
I need you. I was calm with you.
Okay.
It's the way he had approached me. He should have taught me civilized. Ain't nothing on me. Nothing but a bra and panties and earrings. Now what am I being detained for?
I was giving you lawful commands. You refused to listen to him.
No. What are you giving me? Reason why you said put my keys on there. Tell me the reason why.
Yes, because your license is suspended.
Okay.
It sees the tag. If
I was giving you the paperwork.
You need to stop talking
of
and
course,
listen.
no, I was giving you the paperwork.
You're right,
I have
Miss Reed.
paperwork.
You're right.
So you telling me the court lying? I just left from there Friday. Now what's the bond? Because I'm not staying overnight. Do I have a bond? Do I have a bond? You can answer that.
When you're done screaming, you're calm
No,
down.
I'm asking you, this is how I talk. Normally, my family will tell you.
At first, it seemed like a routine traffic stop, but tensions quickly escalated when the police claimed the grandmother was not allowed to drive. She demanded a clear explanation. But the exchange became increasingly heated and confrontational.
I need to talk to my child. I need her out the car. Please leave the door. Like I said, I'm diabetic. I'm
going to put the air
claustrophobic.
up and I'm going to roll down this window a little bit. Watch your hair.
You need two?
I'm going to see if she has a valid license. If she does, I'm going to let her take it.
Okay.
Oh, actually, no. It's going to be tow regardless because I need to seize the tag. So it's going to be tow regardless. Hey, how old are you?
16.
You have a driver's license?
No.
Okay. Do you have someone that can pick you up?
No.
Okay. Well, we'll get that situated in a sec. Who does she need to call?
She just wants her phone for her property.
Okay. I'll grab her in a second.
And I guess she wants to call somebody to come get the car.
It's being towed. She can call someone to get her daughter.
Okay. I appreciate you.
Yes, ma'am.
He could have gave me a warning to park the damn car. I know what it is. I just paid on my license, and the lady told me, say your insurance, go to the courthouse.
Okay.
But my baby had to go to the dentist. And my son, I just dropped him off at college. Now I gotta find somebody to pick my baby up. He ain't gotta touch my car. Ain't nothing in my car.
Okay. Well,
My purse and nothing. I don't want my stuff be organized in my purse.
I understand. So what he's doing is he's just going to take the tag, and then I guess
I can't take the tag. I got to move my car. I can't park it up here.
it's saying it has to be seized, ma'am.
Oh, fuck, man. Let me call my... Tell them to please. They take it too long. I need somebody to come get my fucking car.
My man, once he's
Now,
done,
he wrong for that.
once
He
he's
wrong
done,
for
I'll
that.
talk to him, okay?
It's not about him. It's another officer on the other side. Just bring me my child, please. So I can have somebody to get my car from up here.
Okay.
It's taking too long. I got another child coming up from school.
Who do you want him to call?
I can't say I got to look at the phone.
Okay.
So I got to go through the screen.
Hey, Jeff, can you have Christian come bring her phone so she can call somebody to come get her? Okay. She's saying that she wants to call somebody to come get them. Who is she coming to pick up?
My little brother.
Your little brother?
Yeah.
Okay. Where is he? Gets dropped off right over here? Okay.
He finna walk over here though.
Your little brother?
Yeah.
Where is he over there? Or is he
right
coming?
there.
Okay. What's his name?
King.
King, right? Okay. We're gonna try to come and see if someone can pick y'all up, okay?
Huh?
We're gonna call somebody to see if someone can pick y'all up, okay?
Yeah.
If you wanna hang out over there in the car, it's up to you.
Yeah, that listening, right?
Just hang tight, cause we just gotta call and make sure we have a ride secured for you, okay? And then after that, then you can do whatever you want, okay?
I need to hurt to go down. I can't swipe down my phone. I needed her to go through the phone. What's wrong with she's a 16-year-old child? I said she know who to call and talk.
Okay, who do you want her to call?
I can't. I need my own phone. So I can't grab. That's my phone.
Okay.
I can't go through the phone. You got the handcuffs on me.
They're not coming off.
I'm not gonna run. Just one here. This side is too tight.
Okay.
I'm not going nowhere.
Okay, why are you still screaming?
Didn't I just tell you I'm deaf in my left ear? This is how I talk.
Okay, I understand, ma'am.
Now you don't. You just telling me this 2 times.
Do you have a code?
Yeah, I have a code. I need to.
What's the code? Or do you want to unlock? Can you reach over and unlock it?
You put the phone right there.
No, I can't.
It's my possession.
You're going to jail.
I'm going to jail.
You're going to jail right
to my car. Give me my phone.
When the police informed her that her license was suspended and ordered the vehicle to be seized, she reacted strongly, refusing to hand over the keys. The conversation escalated as she firmly defended her rights before being handcuffed.
So we're going 2 ways, Miss Reed.
No,
Miss Reed, stop talking. We're going 2 ways. You listen to me? Okay, I'm just going to call DC after coming to pick up your kids.
No, the mama coming to get
because
them.
you're not in the right mind to pick up your kids or get someone
I got
responsible.
somebody to
So
get my
DCF is
kids.
being called. DCF is being called. Thank you.
You being wrong.
DCF being called.
Could you please? Why you being so be a black
You
man?
can't have
A handsome black man to
DCF
a
is
pretty
being
ass
called.
woman.
DCF
I'm
is being
57
called.
years old. Why would you do
I'm
that?
giving you a chance to unlock your phone. Are you
I'm
trying to
trying to unlock it. I can't. Didn't I just tell you this is too tight?
right here.
This the only hand. Can you come over no more? Dang. I can't see. I'm literally blind a little.
Who would you like her to call?
I can't go through the phone. Can I go
Who
through
would
it?
you
I
like
got
her
to
to
slide
call?
down. I have to slide down the phone. Thank you.
All right.
I need to slide down the name that I need to call. Come over a little bit, please. Just told him this hand on the left one is too
No, you're
tight.
fine. You're
He
fine.
talking about calling DCF. I got somebody to come get my dang on kids.
They're your kids, correct, ma'am?
I got custody of them.
Okay.
They're
So-
my nieces.
So King just got off the bus, so he's over there hanging out with his friends, and then I just spoke to your daughter, and she's okay. She's calm. Okay. I just need you to breathe. I understand.
I'm trying to breathe, but
I know.
he's not cooperating.
I understand, ma'am.
He need to talk.
I understand.
What's the name?
Call whoever you need to call.
I'm trying to call I can't call my son.
Breathe. I understand. I understand. Okay. I understand.
Whew.
This was not what was expected for the day. Okay.
Oh.
But right now we just need to secure a ride for the kids. Okay.
That's all he had to do. I'm like, where I'm going? Tasha, you get up out the bed. They taking me to jail. And I need my car to be moved, but they finna take my tag off my car and the churn is up here. And this man talking about calling DCL. Please get Peaches or somebody to come up here and get my babies. And I'll call somebody to move my car. All right.
How far out is she?
She's on Americana.
Okay, so she's.
My other niece stay down the street.
Okay. Who else do we need to call?
I got one person to call.
Okay.
He finna be fucking pissed.
Okay. But do you want?
I want my car. He ain't had to take. All I had to do was park my car.
Do you want? Was it Tasha who you called? Do you want Tasha to take?
That's
the kids?
their mom. That's
their
mom.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So Tasha's gonna come pick up the kids, King and your daughter.
Tasha, babe, I'm going to jail. Remember, I just went and got my license did. He pulled behind me and telling me my license is invalid. And I'm going to show in the paper. He trying to put handcuff on me. When my car parked up and he took the tag off my car. And it can't be parked up here. It got to be moved. And my keys, I want Booster to get my keys so I can get somebody to pull the car. At the Family Dollar. Waiting out, pulling in to get King. Can you leave my keys? Somebody gonna tow my car.
Hey, your car's getting towed now.
Somebody towing my car. Why are you trying to get extra money on me?
I'm not trying to get extra money.
Okay, my car not finna sit. I can move my car. They can move my car.
It's getting moved.
I don't want y'all to tow it. Y'all trying to get extra money. You just been a nasty ass rookie. You a nasty rookie ass boy.
Okay. All right. Do we need to call anybody else?
I just want my truck to be parked at my house.
I'm gonna call my sergeant and see if we can get your daughter a courtesy ride to your house.
No, her mom coming to get her. What are you talking about?
Oh, mom's coming.
Yes, she just heard me talking to mom coming to get him. What you say, babe?
So they take you to jail, Vanessa?
Yes.
Which one is the
He
house
couldn't. He not really telling me nothing.
Which one is the house key, Miss Reed?
They need all the keys.
Okay, so you want me to give her the whole set?
Give her my keys.
A thought-provoking and emotionally charged ending as the grandmother is taken into custody while the police work to ensure the children's safety. Regardless of who was right or wrong, this intense situation is sure to spark significant debate and differing opinions.
So I can't come get your car?
Alright, let me talk to him.
She finna talk to you.
Sir, what's your name?
Tamerton Howard.
Tamathan, you said?
Tamerton Howard.
Tamerton. Okay, Mr. Tamerton. So right now she's being arrested for driving with the license suspended. I'm not the arresting officer. I'm just here trying to kind of help out the arresting officer. So King and her daughter are going to be picked up by Tasha, okay? Unfortunately, because the car has no tag, the tag needs to be seized, it has to get towed, okay? So we're...
What you mean the car don't have a tag?
So because
They took it off.
the
DMV.
DMV is saying to seize the tag, okay?
Okay, the tag, but not the car.
No, but the
car can be pulled.
The car has to be towed.
Y'all doing extra money? That's some bull crap. That's extra money.
I can come get the car?
No, sir. You cannot come get the car, unfortunately.
And I'm supposed to be moving.
It's going to be Johnson's record. I can give you the address, and you can go get the vehicle or pick up the vehicle or something like that, okay?
Alright. So what her bond is for this?
I don't know off the top of my
He
head.
won't tell me.
He's going to, once he does all the papering stuff, he'll be able to pull up the bond and then go from there, okay?
Okay.
Who come to pick you up?
Hey,
No.
Oh, that's my nephew.
Okay.
He come to get King.
Oh,
Yes,
okay.
that's my nephew. He come to get Keener and Booster. Tell him get my purse and take it to the house.
Okay, are you okay with the 15 then?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, she's going to hang up now, okay?
Okay.
Alright.
All right. Then he say what bond? The diamond.
Say it again.
He said diamond.
Who's Diamond?
The bondsman. I forgot what
Diamond.
bondsman he said.
Oh, I don't know. Alright, I'm going to close the door, okay, ma'am?
Okay.
A valuable lesson on managing legal disputes effectively. Open communication, cooperation, and mutual understanding play a crucial role in preventing conflicts from escalating unnecessarily, ensuring that tense situations can be resolved more peacefully and fairly for everyone involved.
Hold on, we're gonna stop.
He's going west on 896.
The intense chase begins as police attempt to stop a vehicle that repeatedly ignores their orders to pull over. However, the real shock comes when they discover that the driver is not an adult but a mere 13-year-old boy.
Still westbound.
Still westbound, 896.
He's heading back east. Fail pit maneuver. Right, he took a right on Logan.
Right on Logan.
Hold on, we're gonna stop.
Therefore, come stop at 51020. Mars 513, 1013, 1040. Confirming vehicle stopped at Pine Ridge, Logan. Mars 519, 1013, 1020, confirming vehicle stopped at Pine Ridge, Logan. Yeah, it's 10-4. Everything happened really fast.
The police were not only surprised to see a child behind the wheel but also immediately questioned the motives behind this reckless act. They wanted to determine whether the boy was trying to hide something or if it was simply an impulsive decision.
15-2011.
So why all this stuff? Why was he driving away? Did he say anything to you? Why? Did you ask him why are you running away from the police?
Alright, I'm asking anything the car need to know about guns, drugs, knives, ammunition, any other drugs that I
Did
pulled
you
off.
say that? Did you
Sure.
ask him that?
Is that a yes or no? I need a verbal yes or no.
There's nothing. Did you think it was
Okay,
true?
whose vehicle is it?
It's my mother's. Were you afraid?
Is it paid off? Do you know if it's paid off?
No. Almost. Yes. I don't know. I'm not hearing anything. Talk to me. Everything's fine right now. I'm just holding your arm.
Hey, sir. Sir, can you turn the AC on, please? It's really hot.
What's that?
The AC, please, is
Yeah,
really
I'll give you
hot.
some air conditioning.
Hey, could you call his mother?
Yeah, I'll be with you here in a few minutes, okay?
Okay.
Don't worry about that right now.
All right. Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Could I possibly call his mother?
Later on.
Just so
not right
she's
now.
aware?
Yep. We're working on that.
All right.
We'll get back to you on that. We're working on it.
Hi, Mom.
Is that your car?
Yes, it's under my name.
You know what's going on?
Well, I just found out right now.
You don't know where you is it your son?
Yes.
And you don't know what he's up to? Trafficking weed?
He doesn't live here.
Oh, okay. Mom, last name?
Mine?
Yes, ma'am.
Lopez?
All right. And your son's name, your 13-year-old? Oh, like the football player?
Yes.
With a C?
Yes.
What's his middle name? And does he live with you? Ma'am, does Caleb live with you?
Yes.
Okay. I'm just asking.
Yeah, sure.
I know this is not a bad situation to put you in, but something you didn't expect today. So.
And I was on my way to pick up my car, and I told my...
Instead of taking a strict approach, the police handled the situation with flexibility and compassion by releasing the boy to his mother. This not only gives him a chance to reflect, but also serves as a warning about the serious consequences of driving without proper authorization.
So your 13-year-old son, we're going to release him to you now here on scene, okay? Great. Sarge wants to know if you have all of his info, the 13-year-old.
I do have it.
You do? All right. We're going to release him to Mom.
Which is fine. Get him out of handcuffs. I hate to do that. I wish your son, honestly, ma'am, I wish your son made better choices today. He put a lot of people's lives in danger, not to mention your son.
Underage driving is a critical issue that requires immediate attention, as it poses serious risks to both the driver and others on the road. Families must take responsibility by educating children about the legal consequences and potential dangers of driving without proper authorization.